Okay, I haven't heard from you for a while, and I know you needed this video, so I'm going to go ahead and make it for you. Um, First thing you're going to do, obviously, is you're going to open up a browser, and your URL is Trike Billboards.com. But what you're going to do is then go into your admin section before you hit enter and type in WP admin, which is going to bring you to, please forgive the children in the background, this is going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. Then your name is Trike and your password is monkey1. You can go in and change all of this later. And this gives you the rundown of the back end of your site. You can see here your pages are going to be there, and you can go in here and change these any way you want. This is all of your pages, and this is your blog here. Now this doesn't actually go anywhere. This is just provides a link to the blog. If you actually want to make a blog post, you go into posts, and we have the one that I made, which is a test. You can edit it, delete it, view it. If you want to edit it, obviously you don't want what's in there, but you take what I've written out and you just simply add in what you want. Now right now it's an HTML view, which you don't really want to be unless you want to code it. Just go to visual view, and then really you just type something and we'll redo the post. So I'm going to type in, this is my blog, and you can make this a paragraph, or you can make it these different things, give it different headings. You can add images to your blog, music, videos, all kinds of things. It's just like working with a Word document here pretty much, except for it's a little bit more powerful. And then simply just hit update post. And if you want to check that, open this in a new tab or whatever you want to do, or just click on it. And here's your website. And you go to your blog, and there's your blog. And as you add more of those, it'll push this one down the page. Let's add another one. So let's edit your posts again, and we'll add a new one. So we just put add new, and then we'll say test blog 2, second test. So let's go ahead and publish this one. Alright, and we'll go back and refresh your screen, or just hit blog again, and there you go. And you can control through your editor and some of your settings how many posts per page you see. Not through here. Oh, I'm sorry, it's reading. And we're having a little slow connection right now. Let's just hit it again. We'll wait. But while we're waiting for that to actually register, and hopefully we're not having internet connection problems. But while we're waiting for that to register, well, there's a few things that can take place back here. You can pretty much fix everything back here. Now you see you can show 10 posts per page. You can change that. Don't worry about your syndication feeds right now, unless you start, want to, RSS yourself out, and you will eventually. I have this is very important that you not mess with this. I have your blog set up to go to your home page, and then the blog page is your post. So leave this alone. Don't mess with this, otherwise it'll screw up the appearance of your website. I had to do this so that it would look like a website and not a blog when you first go into your site. So that's that. The pages are simple again, almost like doing a blog. The pages are, of course, your URL links to your different sections of your blog. And some of these I really wouldn't mess with too much, because I have them set up a certain way, and if you go in and mess with them, it can mess up your blog. But let's say you want to add different pictures. You can get a view. Now I did these in HTML view. I don't want to switch over to that because it'll show different. But if you want to change out a picture, you can click on it, edit the picture, which you can or delete it and then just go right back in. I don't want to do any of that right now, but you can go add your new ones by going to this link right here. So nothing too difficult about this, and then of course the text is all here. Again, I did it in HTML view to give it this sort of alignments and things that I wanted, but you have to know code for that, so you really don't want to mess around too much in your pages, the pages that I created. But if you want to add a new one, you simply just click Add New, try to word it, align it the way you want, and then it'll look, and you can kind of play around with it too. And it'll automatically add this page to your front links that I have set up for you. So if you add a new page, you're not going to hurt anything. It'll actually add the link up front. It'll add a link up here. It'll still be centered and still be set up correctly. So there's nothing there too much. You have other options. You can play around with some plugins that come installed with WordPress. Look at some different ones. If you want to do different things with your site, search engine optimization is another key one that WordPress is really good for, although you're set up pretty well with your SEO now. But those are things you can also add through it. Play around with your different settings. This is your YouTube, your not your YouTube, but your links as far as your Twitter and such we set up through here. That's a plugin. I really wouldn't mess around with those because you can screw those up too. I remember those gave me some trouble getting them set up too. So that's really most of what you need to know. Anything else you have a question about, just feel free to contact me, 407-545-2285, or send me an email from website designoforlando.com. Hope you had a great holidays. If you have any questions, again, give me a call. Thanks. Bye.